Welcome to the ebookGenie training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create an ebook cover in ebookGenie. For ebook cover, go to the left menu. Click on AI Cover Builder. Now you are in AI Cover Builder section. Now choose File from your local and click on Edit. Now you are in the Editor section. You can edit your cover with a vast variety of tools. Once you are done editing, click on Done and you can save your cover in your local storage in your desired quality and format. Thanks for watching the video.